So now, is rough cut capacity right for your business? Well, it depends. For any manufacturer who follows a make-to-stock workflow, it's a match made in heaven, as you can figure out the ideal quantity of finished good you should be producing. But for make-to-order and bespoke manufacturing, it's not so useful, as your manufacturing is triggered as soon as customer has expressed interest. Rough cut capacity planning work better for manufacturers who have a standardized workflow, because if you make customized good, there is no way of knowing in advance what it is you will even be making.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.